Okay, I haven't seen a video on this sunshade, Home Depot, Arnold, Lowe's. I got it from Lowe's. It's an Arnold sunshade model 89 6900. It's for those tractors right there. It's a universal shade, but I couldn't find any videos how to use, well, found some videos how to use these brackets, but I'm very handy, I guess. I didn't use none of those brackets, so because those brackets are made for this models. They're not made for the zero turn tractor. So what I did is I got the sunshade, and what I did is I drilled some holes, very nice holes, to my seat, as you can see, and I put some outlet. You can bend that outlet enough to where you can fit this bracket, make it custom for your tractor. And I put a nut on the bottom, so it doesn't hit right here on the plastic in case it shakes. Now, it's made for smaller tractors, but what I did is you can cut, if you want to lower the shade down, what you gotta do is it comes already from the factory like this. Look at this bolt. It comes about that long, but for me, I think it was too long, so I cut about 4 inches off, and I just remade the whole same thing, and then put this plastic back on, and then same thing on this side. I made the hole again, cut it, the plastic on right there, then I grab the bolt, and it goes right to the other side. But I'm gonna leave it just on one side sticking out like that, and then this other side, same thing. I'm not going all the way through because I gotta put the thing on.